Good afternoon.
Sound on? Yep.
Sound is on. You bundled up today.
It's so warm.
You're cold. This is a product of 3% body fat. The man is cold today.
I'm pretty sure I don't have 3% body fat. And I don't really know the actual percentage, but...
Okay.
And
Well, one of these days you will be able to test that.
one of these
here
days,
at Ergo.
Today is not the day.
Today's not the day, but it's coming before you know it. More on that later, but that is not what we're talking about today. That's not what we're talking about
We
today.
didn't talk about that at all.
I know, but we today are talking about...
What are we talking about?
We're talking about my favorite part of the gym here. Community. Community, did I spell it right? Community. Right? All your workout friends.
Mm-hmm.
Right? The reason we show up when we say we're going to show up consistently. There's that word again. I think we lost some viewers. Yep, we lost.
And
we used the word
gone.
consistency and people drop. Anyway, so community. Our community here is pretty cool. If I may brag about that.
That 4 o'clock class.
The 4 o'clock class? What, the 5:30 a.m. class?
That 4 o'clock
The
class.
5:30 a.m.ers?
The best class. The best.
Okay.
The fun class.
5:30 a.m. is fun too.
I don't know. I don't see them because none of them show up.
They show up regularly. I see them. They are fun. Anyway, community. Fantastic. Right? They get us in the door. They push us. It's phenomenal. Not only do you have a coach making you feel bad for resting, or is it just me? Your workout buddies, the community, really makes this fun. So we have a really fun event coming up that I wanted to pitch today.
Yeah, one second.
And I just sent an email out, but it is our Ergo Friends-Giving. Ergo Friends-Giving.
Your Friendsgiving.
So what is a Friendsgiving?
It's a Thanksgiving with your friends.
It's a Thanksgiving with your friends, right? We're way more fun than most of your families. My family will never watch this. So, yes, you guys are more fun
I got my
than
whole
my
family
family.
on here anyways.
Yeah, your family will probably be here. Yeah. So, when is it? When's the Ergo Friendsgiving?
The 24th.
Tuesday.
6 p.m.
The 24th.
Tuesday.
By almost unanimous votes, we are going to be canceling a couple classes. Sorry, 5 and 6. We're going to be doing our Friendsgiving Tuesday, November 24th, 6 p.m. We're going to have lots of tables and chairs provided by All About Events. We are going to have food provided by all of you guys. We're going to be grateful.
What are you bringing?
I am thinking about putting a turkey on the trigger.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I've never done that before.
Okay.
It could either go horribly wrong or
Totally right.
because it's
Yeah.
any monkey can barbecue on a Traeger.
Yeah.
It could be
Any monkey.
amazing. It's
Yeah.
going to be amazing. So, what are you bringing? Mushrooms?
No.
Damn.
I got the marshmallow yams.
Ooh, marshmallow yams.
Yeah.
Sign up for your food of choice on the whiteboard in the front. You can kind of see it. Anyway, right
Oh.
there.
Yeah.
Put your name down right there, what you're going to be bringing, so we're not doubling up. It's going to be a phenomenal event. We're going to be grateful for all the cool things that happened this year. Mainly, none of you dying from the virus because you're so healthy and so fit. Anyway, so, Friendsgiving, be there. It's going to be exciting. And, yeah, we'll see you next week
Yeah, see ya.
on the thruster.
It's like